Hi, we are from Silverton and we're gonna present our final presentation. In this project, we managed a golf company for 6 years. Next, please. Our main strategy was sustainability. We invested in eco-friendly equipment and better facilities. The goal was to reduce long-term costs and improve quality. Next. In the beginning, we spent a lot of money, so our profit and share price went down. But over time, our performance improved. We had more players, better sustainability scores, and more stable revenue. This showed that our long-term strategy started to work. Next, please. Ethic was very
Sonam,
important.
Yeah. Hi. The 6 year journey of the organization is presented in this slide. Next, please. The infrastructure has also been improved through huge investments in year 1 and 2 of the organization, but huge expenses led to a temporary fall in the share prices. Next, please. Similarly, cost reduction also led to reduced expenses in year 3 and 4 of the organization, but this had a negative impact on performance and quality. The business also found the differences between pricing and quality in year 5 of the organization. Next, please. In the 6th year of the organization, the business improved performance and generated income, and the share prices also rose. In all these scenarios, it's important to understand the need to balance investment and cost in the business. Thanks. Next, please.
Amrita.
Hi, this slide shows how Silver Dunes integrate ethic into business decision making and stakeholder relationship. The first slide highlight a core decision making framework built on four principles. First is environment, which focus on reducing waste. Second is labor practice, which ensures staff are well supported. Other is a stakeholder balance, means aligning financial goals, and last is community engagement, reflects on ongoing commitment to supporting local organizations. Next slide, please. This slide expand into 360-degree stakeholder ecosystem. At the center is the operation itself, surrounded by key groups, members and customers, shareholders. And overall, this ethical practice are not separated from business strategy. They actively strengthen performance and long-term sustainability. That's all.
Loveland.
Here we can see the sustainability approach in three stages. Stage one focuses on eco-efficient infrastructure, and stage two is about resource management, where water, energy, and chemicals are minimized. And the final stage is highlights long-term productivity by investing. And next slide, please. Um, this slide explain that sustainability alone is not enough. Initially, the strategy focused on heavy investment in eco-friendly infrastructure. However, over time, it became clear that customer value and quality are equally important. Next slide, please. This slide shows how environmental performance remains strong. Water conservation was achieved through improved irrigation systems. Chemical management reduced harmful impact by using better fertilizers, and resource efficiency helped lower overall consumption while maintaining high standards.
Vincent.
Yeah, in overall, we discovered that we spent money in year one to sustain our business. We spent a lot of money to reduce the irrigation, and the money we spent led to our shares fell down. Shareholders also felt unhappy because of they were not getting their dividends. But because we did a long-term investment, we started receiving the dividend of our investment by the year five. So in overall, we learned that ethical practices create value only when they support strong performance and customer satisfaction. Thank you.
So in year 5 of our simulation, when we realized our financial performance wasn't really good, we made use of AI tools for strategy testing, and we realized that it directed us not to reduce the price in order to maintain our financial performance, but we held on to the value and we invested in our premium fees on the top, and that gave customer satisfaction, which we recovered in year 6. And the wake up call is that in the final round, we felt the better connection between sustainability and business results. It should go hand in hand. Um, sustainability should not suffer at the expense of business financial performance. On the average, Silver Dunes team um, was successful at the end, and our long-term investment paid off. Thank you.